Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 21st till the 27th of April. Rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self love journey and don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing the 30 days self love challenge course. Super easy to understand, and it's definitely going to help you to raise your vibrations and make you the best version of yourself. I'm feeling a little tired, but I'm going to do the reading anyway. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you. We have the Seven of Pentacles. There's a sense of waiting, just waiting and watching and hoping for something to happen. Okay, something to come up. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles here. देखा ही नहीं. Death, we have the Seven of Wands and the Two of Cups. Wow. This is someone who is feeling that the worst is over. They feel like they should remove the obstacles and the challenges out of the situation, out of this connection, and they should straight away come towards you with a very beautiful soulmate kind of energy. They feel like they should wait for the time when this is going to be possible, when this ending or separation or breakup phase or maybe no contact phase is going to end, and you guys will be able to come back together in a beautiful and positive way. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Eight of Swords. You feel like you're trapped in your own energies and you are not able to think positive about a certain situation even if you want to. You feel mentally trapped, mentally stuck. Okay, let me clarify the Eight of Swords here, honey. Libra, for you guys as your feelings. ऐसे ना देखो, जैसे पहले कभी. Ten of Cups, Ten of Wands, the Three of Pentacles. Okay. See, even though you are still emotionally connected to something or someone, a collaboration or partnership, this is very heavy and burdensome kind of energy that's not helping you in any way to think positive in this direction whatsoever. So you're feeling like you are being in a very high pressure energy. You this is that's weighing you down. Even if you're trying to think positive in a direction, you are not able to. Right? This is a very deeply felt connection that you are going through right now, and no matter how hard you are trying to think positive, you're not able to do that. Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Hierophant. So the intention here is to have a very, what we call it, a spiritually aligned kind of energy between you guys. Okay. Let me clarify the Hierophant for their intentions. We have the Knight of Wands, the Hanged Man, and the Eight of Pentacles. So this person wants to make very necessary moves from their side. They want to put in the effort and energy in this direction with a changed perspective, with the changed kind of energy, where they are going to do everything right from their side in order to make things work out between you and them. So basically, this person wants to have spiritual growth within this dynamic also, and otherwise also, and they want to put in the effort and energy with the right kind of and like thinking, with the right kind of hmm, feelings, and they definitely want to see things from a different perspective, understand things from a different perspective, from a spiritual perspective, and then they want to put in the effort and energy so that you guys can spiritually align with each other in a beautiful and positive way. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Empress. See, you want to have growth and expansion in this energy, in this connection, but for most importantly for yourself. What is wrong with me today? I don't know. I'm feeling a little down. without any reason. There's no reason actually. Let me clarify the Empress. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Justice, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. You're routing for new love. You're routing for something that is going to be meant for you, that is in that is in your destiny. You are in this energy of, okay, let me go with the flow, let the divine decide for me, and let me head towards something that's meant for me, that's good for me. New love, new energies, new connection, new you. Okay, so you want to improve your own energy so that you can manifest the love of your life in your life, that's meant for you. Okay, for the rest of your life. For some of you, you want to have a new, brand new energy within a particular dynamic, but for most of you, you want to have a new person, a new energy around you, that is actually fated, that is destined to meet you on your path. Okay, cool. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 27th of April, Scorpio. Oh, sorry, Libra. Sorry, Libra. Maybe you're dealing with a Scorpio, or you are having Scorpio somewhere in your chart. Judgment, it's like releasing and letting it go, releasing and letting it go. Okay, let me clarify the Judgment. You're still in the process of letting something or someone go out of your life, out of your system. That's not completely done yet, but you are doing your best according to your own energies. Let me clarify. We have the Queen of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Nine of Swords. You are going to be very, very clear about what you should do in order to gain peace, in order to attain the internal peace that you're wanting and hoping for from quite a long time now. But it's going to be a little hard for you to release something or someone out of your system, like, completely. Definitely, you are working on this energy of letting go and surrender and doing whatever is best for you and best for this energy, for the highest good of both of you. But still, there are going to be periods of anxiety or periods of stressful energy, stressful nights where, even if you know you have to let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, you will not be able to do that fully. You can say with all of your heart and soul. This is going to be a stressful process of letting go, but once you're going to get the hold of it, once you're going to get out of this, after whatever you're struggling in, you will definitely be able to feel the ease and the peace. Yeah, told ya. For you, the guidance here is, this is a process that's weighing you down. Maybe it's giving you sleepless nights and it's giving you anxiety, but trust me, trust the process, trust the universe, that once you are going to get out of this situation, get out of this healing process, you are going to feel very lighter, and you are going to be very hopeful and positive about the kind of life that you want to manifest in your life. You will definitely be able to attract the best energies forward for you guys. So keep going. Okay, don't stop. It's a process. It's going to take time. It's not easy, but it's very, very mandatory. It's a tough test to pass. Yep. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.